I'm Andy, the trend follower. It's Saturday, the 20th of November 2021, and welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow 5 of them: shares, property, gold, commodities, and cryptocurrency. Let's look at shares first of all. And this week, the price of the fund that I'm invested in rose very slightly. It closed above the green line, so I'm staying invested. Let's look at property next, and this last week the price of my property fund also rose slightly. It too is above the green line, so I'm staying invested. Gold is next, and my newly opened long trade fell back very slightly this week, but it's still above the green line, so I'm staying invested. Let's look at the price of my commodities fund. The price dropped very slightly, but it too is above the green line, so I'm staying invested. Cryptocurrency is next, and my crypto dropped back a little bit this week. You can see that, but it's still above the green line, so I'm staying invested. To be honest, I wouldn't sell it anyway. It's not in a tax-free account, but that's something for another story. Let's have a look at the traffic lights for each of the asset classes. Shares remain on a green. Property also remains on a green. Gold is still a green. Commodities remain on a green, and my crypto investment is also on a green. Greens all round. So what do I have to do this coming week? Well, just move my stop loss orders up a little bit. Nothing too arduous. Let's have a quick chat about stop loss orders, moving on from last week and using an example of a property fund trade. You can see where I had a buy signal here in May 2019. The position did very well, rising steadily, and I was happy. I didn't even close the position after it dropped suddenly, which is often a warning sign, and I was reassured by a bounce back up off the green line. And I did not have a stop loss order in place. Ideally, I would have had one here just below the green line. This would have closed the position in the event of the 50% drop in price that occurred next. It was awful. A stop loss order would have automatically closed my position and avoided this loss. I like to have a stop loss orders in place so that I don't have to make decisions when I'm stressed. Okay, do you want to see a weekly update? Make sure you're signed up to my email list. I'm not a financial advisor, of course. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice. I make no claim about how this strategy might perform for me or anybody else in the future. If you copy me, you might end up living in a cardboard box. So regard these videos as entertainment, just like gambling. Okay, have a great week. I'll do another video for you next weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.